Hi everyone, my name is Arnold, and today I would like to present to you the Point Topic Ontology, which is a semantic framework we have been building here at Point Topic for our own data as well as the data out there in the wider world. Let's jump right into the demo. Alright, so here I am on the Ontology web app. So for those who are not familiar, an ontology is a representation of knowledge that exists in the real world, and that's what we try to do here for our version of reality, which is the broadband and telecoms version of reality, mainly in the UK. So what we have tried to do is bring together all the data that we have and bring it together in a way that makes sense in an ontological way, which means you remove all the terminology that you might use every day and you replace it with a terminology that is actually accurate to get a clear view of reality as it really exists, and as a byproduct, hopefully make the data more accessible, gain more insight from it faster. And this is why we have a web app as well. So this is great for non-technical users. You don't need to code to understand this. You don't even really need to know what an ontology is. The purpose of it is to present the data to you, to present the information to you in a easy, accessible way. And yeah, let me log right in here. So you will first be presented with an ontology selection screen. The core ontology presents the foundation of the relationships and entities we are presenting, and it's mainly just the relationship between organizations, networks, and technologies in the broadband world and in the telecom world more widely. Mainly in the UK, we have a business ontology as well, which is what I'm going to select now. There is also the option for us to build customized ontologies, or for you to build customized ontologies with different entities, different data, anything really that you want to add in. We can get it in to our ontology app. So on the home page, I can see a background on the ontology. I can see information on how it works, the different types of entities. So we've got classes, we've got object properties. Again, this is not really stuff you need to know necessarily, because I can go straight to the dashboard, and here I will be presented with an overview over the core entities, the core broadband entities in the UK. So the ISPs and network operators and the networks and how they interact with each other. So this is information I would have to Google before, or go on different websites to remind myself, okay, who does this ISP sell over? What technology do they use? When did they start selling in this area? But this is all now available here. So I can do a search, for example, for BT, and that will filter all the information only for BT. Same for ISPs. So this is all the UK ISPs. And again, this is customizable, so we can add different views if that is required. Or I can explore all the ontology entities. So this is every table in the ontology, depending on the version of the ontology, of course, that you are accessing. For example, corporate relationships. So I can just explore all of these here. What else have we got? We've got network types, so relating networks to the type of network they are, or the technology, subscriber numbers, coverage area data, so that's postcode data for all the networks. If I go on the Visualize tab, I can visualize the structure of the ontology, which is basically the framework or the schema or the types of entities that exist, how they are related, so I can explore that. For example, the relationship between networks and network types, organizations, or all the other entities types in the ontology. Or I can go to visualize the data, which is a little bit more fun, and I have to just wait for this to load, but then I can explore the data itself in the ontology. So any moment now. Yep, so I can select different object properties here. So I'll select network usage and network ownership. And then all this data loads here, and I can do a little search here as well if I want. Or let me first zoom in. So here you've got all the data that's currently in the ontology, and I can explore that here. I can do a search. Let's do Freedom Fiber, and let's just find the organization here. So for example, if I want to visually represent all the ISPs that are buying from Freedom Fiber, or all the networks that it is related to, I can do that here. So I can see that information here, play around with it, zoom in and out, etc., etc. So yes, this is the point topic ontology. Let us know if you want more information about it, and I hope you enjoyed this demo.